How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 or 8.0 power panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a new zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, pull up on the backrest release lever, then fold the backrest forward onto the chair seat. Now, loosen or remove the 2 screws that secure the power panel to the chair. Pull the power panel out of the backrest, then, if necessary, tip it upside down to remove the screws. Remove the screw and washers that secure the power panel ground wire to the chair frame. Be careful not to drop the screw and washers into the backrest. If you are working on a WholeBody 7.1, cut the zip tie that secures the black casing covering one of the connectors, then slide the casing toward the chair, out of the way. Next, disconnect each of the power panel connectors. Remove the 2 screws that secure the remote control bracket to the power panel, then remove the remote cabling from the power panel. The power panel is now free from the chair and remote. To install the new power panel, thread the remote control connectors through the power panel from the front, then replace the 2 screws to secure the remote control bracket to the power panel. Next, connect the power panel connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair, matching by size and color. If you are working on a WholeBody 7.1, slide the black casing over the connector, then replace the zip tie on the chair side of the casing to secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Insert the ground wire screw and washers through the ground wire loop, then install the screw into the corresponding hole in the chair frame. Now, push the connectors into the backrest, slide the tab on the lower edge of the power panel underneath the chair frame, then lower the top of the power panel down into position. Replace the 2 screws to secure the power panel to the chair. Push firmly while installing the screws. Finally, plug in the chair and power it on, then confirm that the chair is working properly.